I turned this one story idea into a consistent multi-scene animation film in under 10 minutes.
Okay, I'll admit it. This is really nice.
Told ya, Captain Enzo knows what he's doing.
Enzo, the resort looks kind of far now.
It's fine, we'll head back in a minute.
No complex prompting. No character flickering. No scene-by-scene editing. And here's the game changer. Your characters actually stay consistent from the first shot to the last. Everything begins with a simple story idea. From there, the AI expands it into a complete screenplay, complete with character profiles, dialogue, scene descriptions, and dramatic story beats. But that's only the beginning. The system automatically designs your characters, builds a visual storyboard, creates keyframes, and generates cinematic video scenes.
Enzo! Enzo, wake up!
5 more minutes.
Enzo! You have to see this!
Whoa!
The storm must have carried us here.
What makes this even more impressive is that it's not just a video generator, it's a chat-based AI filmmaking agent. You simply describe your idea, and it guides the entire production process, turning a rough concept into a polished film. Even better, it can continue the story across multiple episodes, helping you build complete animated series with consistent characters, locations, and storytelling. So if you've ever dreamed of creating your own animated movies without a production team, you're going to love what you're about to see. Stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the entire workflow from idea to finished film, and trust me, the results are incredible.
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Now get ready, grab your laptop or PC, unleash your creativity, and let's create an amazing 3D animated film today. The AI platform we'll be using is Minimax Hub. Minimax Hub is an advanced desktop-based multimodal AI creative workspace launched by the AI technology company Minimax. Minimax is a fast-growing, multi-billion-dollar AI startup based in Shanghai and Singapore. It specializes in building proprietary multimodal foundation models that understand and generate text, audio, images, video, and music. Minimax Hub serves as a digital production studio where users can drop ideas onto a unified creative canvas, relying on autonomous AI agents to build, stitch, and edit media assets from start to finish. It serves as a digital director's chair that streamlines fragmented creative workflows by unifying text, audio, image, and video generation into a single continuous pipeline. Instead of using multiple apps for writing, designing, animating, and editing, Minimax Hub brings everything together into one AI-powered creative workflow. To access Minimax Hub, simply click the direct link provided in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, locate the download button on the Minimax Hub dashboard and install the desktop application on your computer. While Minimax Hub can be accessed through a web browser, the desktop version provides a smoother and more efficient creative workflow. It allows you to manage larger projects more comfortably, organize your assets in one place, and access all of Minimax Hub's powerful AI tools from a dedicated workspace. Don't worry, the installation process is quick and easy. Once the installation is complete, launch the Minimax Hub desktop application, sign into your account, and you're ready to start creating your 3D animated film. Before creating a 3D animated story video, you'll need a clear story idea. A good story should include the main character descriptions, the setting where the story takes place, the challenges or conflicts the characters face, how they overcome those challenges, and how the story ultimately ends. Having these details prepared will help the AI agent create a more engaging and coherent film. It's also important to prepare your characters for visual consistency throughout the story. While Minimax Hub can generate characters automatically, providing your own character references is one of the best ways to achieve the exact results you're looking for. After all, you already know how you want your characters to look, dress, and appear on screen. To start creating a 3D animated story in Minimax Hub, click on Skills. Here, you'll find a variety of AI-powered projects that can be created using the Minimax Hub AI Agent. Some of the available skills include Animal Podcast, Audiobook, Image Remix, Short Drama, Skill Creator, and Skill Reviewer, along with other creative workflows designed to automate content creation. Since we're creating a story-based animation, we'll select Short Drama. Now it's time to provide your story idea. Inside the chat box, enter a simple story concept. Don't worry about writing a complete script. The AI agent can expand even a short idea into a detailed story. Now it's time to upload your character images. Using your own character references also gives you greater creative control, allowing the AI to follow the exact appearance, clothing, colors, and overall style you envision for your story. When you're ready, click Generate. The AI agent will begin analyzing your story and character references, then automatically create the script, scenes, dialogue, and visual storytelling elements needed to bring your animated film to life. As you can see, the AI agent keeps you informed throughout the entire process. It continuously explains what it's doing and provides real-time updates as it builds your project. At this stage, there's nothing you need to do except sit back and let the AI work. Now, simply wait for the AI agent to finish its current task. As it progresses, the agent may pause and ask you to confirm the creative direction before moving on to the next stage. You'll see questions like this, where the agent seeks your input on the story, characters, scenes, or overall production plan. When that happens, all you need to do is review the suggestions and answer the question based on your preferences. Feel free to make changes, request improvements, add new ideas, or simply approve the agent's recommendations if you're happy with them. Think of it as collaborating with your own AI filmmaking assistant. The agent handles the technical work while you provide the creative direction. Pretty cool, right? Once you've submitted your response, the agent will continue building your project and move on to the next step automatically. Instead of spending hours writing prompts, creating storyboards, generating characters, and managing dozens of production steps manually, Minimax Hub's AI agent handles most of the heavy lifting for you. Once the AI agent completes the story workflow and finishes generating the script, it automatically moves on to the next stage, creating the scene images. You don't need to upload prompts or manually generate each scene one by one. The agent takes the story, analyzes the script, and begins creating the visual assets needed for the film automatically. At this point, all you have to do is sit back and wait while the AI generates the scene images. Depending on the length of your story and the number of scenes, this may take a few minutes. One by one, the scenes will begin to appear, bringing your story to life visually. Once all the scene images have been generated, take some time to review them carefully. Although the AI agent does an excellent job maintaining consistency, it's always a good idea to perform a quick quality check before moving on to video generation. Catching and fixing issues at this stage can save you a lot of time later. If you spot an inconsistent scene, simply click the image and make the necessary adjustments. You can tweak the prompt, set the aspect ratio and image resolution, then click Replace Current. With all scene images completed and reviewed for consistency, the AI agent will be ready to proceed to the next phase of production. At this point, the agent will once again ask for your input on what you'd like to do next. It may present several options depending on your project workflow. For this tutorial, I personally choose video generation. Just type and enter video generation and let the agent continue the workflow. This is where the magic really begins. The agent takes the completed scene images and starts transforming them into animated video clips, complete with character movements, camera motions, scene transitions, and cinematic storytelling.
Okay, I'll admit it. This is really nice.
Told ya, Captain Enzo knows what he's doing.
Enzo, the resort looks... Enzo! Enzo, wake up!
5 more minutes.
As the AI agent generates the video clips, it simultaneously creates the supporting audio elements, including background music, sound effects, and voiceovers, ensuring that every scene matches the tone, emotion, and flow of the story. Continue working with the AI agent and follow its recommendations until the first episode has been successfully generated and completed. Once the episode is finished, you'll be taken to a reviewable timeline where you can see all the assets used in the project, including video clips, voiceovers, sound effects, music, and other production elements. The interface looks very similar to a traditional video editing software, making it easy to review and manage your project. At this stage, you can still make adjustments to your video clips if needed. Review each scene carefully, check the pacing, transitions, character consistency, and overall storytelling. You can trim and rearrange clips, fine-tune the voiceovers, and adjust the timing of each scene until everything flows smoothly and seamlessly from beginning to end. Once you've finished editing and are happy with the final result, the AI agent will ask if you're ready to render the video. Simply reply with "render," and the agent will automatically begin the rendering process, turning your project into a finished video ready for download. If your project contains multiple episodes, continue guiding the agent through the same process for each episode. After all episodes have been generated and finalized, the AI agent will automatically merge them into one complete video, creating a seamless final project from beginning to end.
It's totally fine. Come on, just a quick ride.
Okay, but just a quick ride.
Left. No, your left. We're going in circles.
Oops, sorry.
To download your finished video, click the three-dot menu located beneath the video preview, then select Download. The video will be saved to your device and ready to share, upload, or use in your projects. Before I play our final video, let me answer a question that might already be on your mind. Is Minimax Hub free? The answer is Minimax Hub offers a one-time free trial for new users, allowing you to explore the platform and experience its AI-powered workflow before subscribing. In addition, you'll have access to a variety of AI-powered skills, ready-to-use workflows that help you create animations, short dramas, audiobooks, image remixes, podcasts, and many other types of content with minimal effort. Considering the amount of content you can create and the advanced AI tools included, it's an excellent option for creators looking to streamline their production process and bring their ideas to life faster. Now, enough talking. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the final 3D animated film we created using Minimax Hub.
Hi, I'm Shelly. My family went on a vacation to a beautiful seaside resort together with my parents' friends. That's where you'll meet Enzo, my best friend. Enzo is very adventurous. As soon as we arrived at the resort, he immediately pulled me toward the beach. We played by the waves, splashed in the water, and while exploring the shore, Enzo discovered a beautiful seashell. I loved it so much that I decided to keep it. The whole place felt peaceful, relaxing, and magical. Honestly, it was the best vacation I had ever experienced. Then, Enzo spotted a small boat by the shore. Excited, he invited me to ride with him. And that was the beginning of our unforgettable journey.
It's totally fine. Come on, just a quick ride.
Okay, but just a quick ride.
Left. No, your left. We're going in circles.
Oops, sorry. Okay, I'll admit it. This is really nice.
Told ya, Captain Enzo knows what he's doing.
Enzo, the resort looks kind of far now.
It's fine. We'll head back in a minute. too.
Enzo! Enzo, wake up!
5 more minutes.
Enzo! You have to see this!
Whoa!
The storm must have carried us here.
Together.
Together. Oh, you poor little thing. A nice smarino lest. It's okay. I just want to help you get warm. Happy monkey chirping? Enzo, I think that's his mom.
Stay back! Shelly, don't...
Trust me.
That was... Shelly, that was the brave thing I've ever seen anyone do.
I just knew she was a mom who missed her baby. That's all.
Are they? Are they giving us food?
I think they are. Thank you so much. For me? Thank you.
You know what, Shelly? I'm really sorry for the boat. For making us get on that boat. If I had been so stupid, we would be stuck here. Our parents must be so worried.
It's okay, Enzo.
Do you hear that?
That sounds like...
A helicopter! Shelly, that's a helicopter! We have to get to the beach. They'll never see us under the trees.
Goodbye, little one.
I can still hear it! This way! I remember some beaches this way!
Faster, Enzo! I can still hear... Here, here. Here, here.
And with hearts full of love, we finally returned home.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.